What's up, you guys? It's your girl Sheila, and I'm here doing a review. Yes, you guys, this came from Amazon, and a supplier reached out to me via my PromoSTK, eating good at gmail.com, for me to do a review on their product. So there was a couple different products they want me to do a review on, but I'm like, I'm gonna try this, so let's do. Excuse me, there's no paperwork in here. So I'll have to make sure that I put the company's link in the description box below. Okay. Let me show y'all again. This is what it is. And we're going to try this because I have skin tags. And I know, I think it's more common maybe with African Americans. I'm not quite sure. But I know on my mom's side, I've seen a lot of her great aunts, or my great aunts, which is her aunts, that had skin tags. So what I used to do, I used to get a piece of my hair and I used to knot it and tie it real tight and pull it real tight. And like, I'll wait like a day or two and it would fall off all by itself. It would, because you're cutting that blood circulation to it. I used to have one right above my eye. And I took that piece of hair and I tied it and knotted it and let it hang there, let it stay there. And the next day, it was hard, it just came right off and never came back. So this right here, if I can open it up. I have several tags now, you guys. I have them, let's see. I know I have it on my neck. Where is it? I'll have to show them to y'all. I know I have one somewhere that's trying to come back in my face, which is over here, right there. I don't know if y'all see that or not. But there's another tag I have. Oh, there's a tag I have under my arm. I have like, not under my arm, but like right here on the inside of my arm right here. I have one on my inner thigh. Where else do I have a tag? And I have one right here. I don't know if y'all see this tag right here. But yeah, I got that one. So I have a lot of them. So I'm going to use this. Now let's get it open. So it's a pack of 4. Oh, okay. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Y'all see that? Cool. Now let's read what it says. The company's name is Rejopes. I mean, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm going to spell it R-E-J-O-P-E-S. Skintagremoverpen Advanced Liquid Formula, pack of 4. It has on here directions. Clean the skin tags area with an antibacterial solution. Gently rotate the end of the pen clockwise, so it'll be going this way, to dispense the liquid onto the brush. And then apply a thin layer of the liquid directly onto the tags or moles, so it's for moles too, y'all, 2 to 3 times daily without scratching the surface skin area. 4, expose the area until it dries thoroughly. So that means don't bandage it up or anything. You want it to be air dried. And then the last thing is after 7 to 15 days, the crusted skin tag will fall off naturally by itself. So the main ingredients, let me show y'all the main ingredients. Let me show y'all the instructions. Y'all can pause it if y'all and take a look at it. So I hope y'all are getting that. But I'll do another better screenshot and put it in my description or in actually at the end of this video. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to try this because there are some areas that I cannot reach to do what I need to do as far as if I want to take my hair and knot it. You know, that's what we used to do back in the day. Y'all didn't know that. Y'all can still do it now. Y'all can still do it. Y'all can see the area and get a hold to that area and do it. Otherwise, try these pins. So you get 4 pins. So I shouldn't need all 4. So I'll probably maybe give one to somebody that's got tags. So if y'all have skin tag y'all have a skin tag out there and y'all want to try one of these, let me know and I will send you one. Let me know. The first one that responds will get one. Now, let me see if it has a seal on here. Let me see. No, there's no seal on it. So it's like once you pop it open, it's open. There's no seal on it. Once you pop it open, it's open. And then I guess you know, follow the instructions. It tells you to counterclockwise once you cleanse that area, counterclockwise until the stuff come out. Yeah. And I see it already trying to come out. Y'all see that? See that? So let me just rub a little bit here. Yeah. I don't know if y'all saw that right there. I don't know if y'all see that. But that's not a skin tag. I'm gonna wipe it off. I don't think it's gonna hurt me by putting on regular skin. So that's it. That is my review, and I will come back and let you guys know the result of my review. Let you know if it worked on my skin tag. And again, I'm probably gonna do this area right here because I have like 2 right here under my arm, but I'm gonna do a better picture. Let me see if y'all can see this skin tag. Y'all see that? There's 2. There's 2. So, and then I know I have one. Oh, there it is. I knew I'd find it. Here's one right here, y'all. I don't know if y'all see that skin tag. Y'all see that? I know y'all see it. I see it right there. Got 2 of them right there. Right there. And right there. So I'm going to cleanse it up and I'm going to try. I'm going to start it today. Okay? We'll see you guys with a review on how it worked for me. All right? Bye, y'all. What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Sheila and Frank. Come on over and check out our channel, PromoSTK Reality TV, husband and wife, where we eat good in the neighborhood. We're a mukbang eating show, cooking and recipes, especially soul food, pranks on Frank. Oh, y'all go check it out. Challenges, vlogs, comedy skits, short videos, and TikTok. So come on and become our oh yeah baby today. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, PromoSTK, or you can also go to any of our social sites and find us under PromoSTK. Oh yeah baby. We can't wait to see you. We can't wait to meet you, so come on over